So, Sophia, this MIT NANDA report, it's quite stark, isn't it? Like 95% of GenAI investments in businesses, zero return. What's going on there, really?
Exactly. It's this huge learning gap. Enterprise tools just don't adapt or remember context, unlike consumer ones. That's why those pilots just stall.
Right, so folks are using ChatGPT, but the custom enterprise stuff, it's just not cutting it then. I suppose that explains this shadow AI economy bit then, eh?
Absolutely, James. It's the inevitable outcome when official tools fall short. Employees are resourceful. They'll use what works, even if it's unsanctioned ChatGPT. This creates data privacy risks, compliance nightmares, and a fragmented approach to innovation within the organization.
So we're essentially paying for enterprise solutions that aren't adopted, while employees are off-roading with tools that could expose sensitive company data. That sounds like a double-edged sword, and a very expensive one at that.
Precisely. The learning gap isn't just a technical hurdle, it's a strategic one. Companies are missing out on the genuine benefits of GenAI because they're not bridging that chasm between consumer-grade intuitiveness and enterprise-level security and context.
And it forces us to ask then, how do we close that gap? How do we bring that consumer-level adaptability into a secure enterprise environment without stifling innovation or creating more shadow IT?
It requires a fundamental shift, James. We need solutions that are built to learn from enterprise data in a secure, contextualized way, truly integrating into workflows rather than just being bolted on. The focus needs to be on adaptive learning, not just processing.
So, adaptive learning, Sophia. What does that practically entail for businesses? Are we talking about AI that genuinely understands a company's unique operations?
Exactly, James. It means AI models that securely ingest proprietary data, learn from user interactions, and continuously refine understanding. A specialized, always learning digital assistant for the organization.
That sounds like a significant architectural challenge. How do we integrate such a system without creating new data silos or overwhelming it with the sheer volume of unique enterprise context?
It requires dynamic, context-aware systems. Think federated learning for decentralized data, plus robust, continuously updated knowledge graphs mapping unique operational context, smart integration, and evolving intelligence.
So, a living AI that learns and adapts to the enterprise's evolving needs, that truly sounds like closing the learning gap.
Precisely. It transforms Gen AI from a risky consumer indulgence into a secure, contextually relevant, and deeply integrated business asset. That's the strategic shift.
Sophia, we've explored adaptive AI's architecture, but let's anchor back. How does this truly translate into measurable business value, moving past those initial zero return investments?
James, it shifts Gen AI from a cost center to a value generator. By securely understanding a company's unique context, adaptive AI closes the learning gap, leading to successful integrations and improved operational efficiency.
So it's not just automation, it's insightful, context-aware assistance. Does it primarily empower individuals or optimize entire departmental workflows?
Both. Individually, it's an intelligent co-pilot, providing personalized insights. Departmentally, it streamlines processes, ensures compliance, and surfaces critical information, resulting in significant productivity and strategic advantage.
A core strategic asset then, not just avoiding risks, but actively creating a competitive edge through intelligent integration. That's a powerful transformation. Sophia, this has been an incredibly insightful discussion. As we wrap up, what are the absolute key takeaways you'd want our listeners to remember regarding bridging this Gen AI divide?
Certainly, James. First, acknowledge the learning gap. Consumer-grade AI sets a high bar for context and memory, which traditional enterprise solutions often fail to meet. This fuels the shadow AI problem, posing real risks. Second, the solution lies in adaptive AI. This isn't just about bolting on. It's about deeply integrated, secure systems that genuinely learn from and adapt to your unique enterprise data and workflows. It transforms GenAI from a liability into a strategic asset.
So it's about moving beyond mere automation to intelligent, context-aware assistance that truly delivers ROI by understanding the unique nuances of an organization.
Precisely. Companies need to invest in AI that learns and evolves with them, ensuring security, compliance, and ultimately, a powerful competitive edge. That's how we finally unlock the true promise of generative AI.
A powerful call to action indeed. Dr. Sophia Martinez, thank you so much for sharing your expertise today.